Okay, we're back again with yet another reader question. This one about people who dig in and just camp out in positions, like different positions within the PTO. I think you're going to find it fascinating. That's why I chose this one to do a video about. So here's the question. I've been a member of our PTO for 5 years now, and I have an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old that will be coming through the school, so I will be around for a while. I have been very unhappy with our organization. Same fundraisers, same everything, every year, dull and sad. I wanted to possibly take over or just hold a higher position. I was told at the end of the school year that positions only become available when someone decides to step down. Does this seem right? I contacted the principal and he stated that the school has nothing to do with the Parent Association bylaws. The current PTO president has been in office for 8 years. What can I do? We need new faces and new life into our PTO, but I don't even know who to talk about to it. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Well, reader, I have to tell you, this is not normal. That is not even healthy. And I cannot even imagine being that president for 8 stinking years. Like, you couldn't even pay me to do that. Not at the same school. Oh my gosh. So I would for sure hate to be that president. I think anything more than 2 years at a time is like redonkulous. I just think that is just no way to be, because you get burnt out and you just don't have the energy, and other things in your life really suffer. That's been my experience when I've been president. I do other things I drop the ball on because you just don't have enough time. And I get really passionate when I agree to take on a new position and I like dive on in. And so, yeah, there's like, dust bunnies under my bed and the laundry piles up. But that's okay, because that doesn't really matter. Like, no one's going to remember that in 5 to 10 or 20 years. Even a year, they're not going to remember that. So I guess my best advice to you, given that your principal is going to be zero help here, sounds like he is just saying, do not want to touch that hot mess over there, is I would reach out to the current president and just say, hey, I really would love to help out. I have some new ideas. This whole, being in the position for so long, I can't even imagine. That must be a lot. And I'm guessing that she has stayed in that position because she's either like an absolute crazy control freak, maybe, or what I think is actually going on is that she doesn't think that anybody else is interested. She doesn't think anybody else is going to step up. So I think if you offer up your help and just say, hey, I have these like great ideas, let's talk them over, she might be like, dang, I do have some help here. And yeah, I should like maybe think about letting other people in. And I know that you are so sick and tired of the same. But I think you have to take like some baby steps in order to get to your goal of becoming more involved and seeing a bigger change. Especially because you have no allies in your principal, right? He's not going to be there for you. So you're just going to have to take it slow. And so I would just put yourself out there, ask the president how you can help. Maybe even say, I'd like to take on more responsibility because I'm going to be around here for a long time. And I think that your good intentions will come through, because I really liked how you stated your question, and that I think it comes from a true place of wanting to help and offering up some constructive criticism to kind of see where you need to go next, right? So reach out to the president, see where you get, and if you need more help, just don't hesitate to ask me again. But I do think that you offering to help in that way is really going to make a difference, and is going to show her that, hey, I might have to do things a little bit differently, and it might be time for me to step down after nearly a decade. That's so crazy. So I hope this has been super helpful for you. If there's anything else I can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you are watching this video and this wasn't you who is asking the question and you have a question, go ahead and you can email me directly at Christina@ptoanswers.com. And if I'm able to, I'll make a video for you that we can share with the rest of the PTO world, because we're all in this together, and I would love to help you make or to become a better leader so you can run a stronger group. So until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.